I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn to Claude AI. First, open Claude AI. In the bottom left corner, click on your profile to open the account menu. From the menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, click Connectors. Now click Add. Then select Browse Connectors. In the search box, type Zapier. When Zapier appears, click the plus button next to it. Now click Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to use with Zapier and click Continue. If this is your first time using Zapier, you'll be asked a few setup questions. For your job role, select Business Owner. Next, choose your company size. If Zapier asks which apps you use, simply click Skip Question. After the setup is complete, click Copy Prompt, then click Continue. Zapier will ask for permission to connect with Claude. Click Allow to grant the required permissions. Now open a new tab in your browser. Search for Zapier and open the official Zapier website. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Otherwise, sign in with the same Google account you used earlier. Once you're in the Zapier dashboard, click MCP Server from the left side menu. Now, click Add Apps. In the search box, type LinkedIn. Select the LinkedIn app from the search results. Click the Select Tool drop-down menu. Choose Select All Tools so Claude can access every available LinkedIn action. Now click Connect. Next to LinkedIn, click Connect again. You'll now be redirected to the LinkedIn sign-in page. Sign into the LinkedIn account you want to connect if you're not already signed in. Review the permissions Zapier is requesting, then click Allow to authorize the connection. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to Zapier, and your LinkedIn account will show as connected. And that's it. You've successfully connected LinkedIn to Claude AI.